Now in our mathematics period we will start today our fourth chapter, altitudes and medians of a triangle. So first, you know the triangle. In previous standards we have studied our triangle. Now we will study about altitudes and medians of triangle. And we will study the properties of altitudes and medians. The first we will study altitude. Altitude of triangle. So altitude means, that means the perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to that vertex is called an altitude. Is called an altitude. I will repeat again. The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the opposite side of that vertex is called an altitude of triangle. Now we draw a figure of altitude. Now suppose this is a triangle. Okay. This is triangle ABC. Okay. Now there are three vertices, so you can draw three altitudes from each vertex. Each vertex has its opposite side. There means there will be three altitudes. So if you draw a perpendicular from point A, vertex A, on opposite side BC, this will be one altitude. For that, to draw the altitude, you can use a set square. In your compass box, a set square is there. There are two set squares like this. You can use the set squares for that. Now see here. To draw this, first put the set square like this. These are the two perpendicular sides of set square. These two sides make a right angle here. This side is perpendicular to this side. So first, one side making perpendicular, you can put on the base of this or on the opposite side of the vertex. And the other perpendicular side, and just the other side such that the point A will be on this side. Okay, the vertex A is on one perpendicular side and the opposite side of triangle is matching the other perpendicular side. And then draw this is one altitude. This is called, suppose AP is an altitude. Similarly, you can draw altitude from side B also here. Okay, for that You have to draw a perpendicular from B on side AC. The opposite side of AC is opposite side of vertex B is AC, and opposite side of vertex C is AB. So you can draw altitude from B on side AC and altitude from C on side AB here using the same protein set square. Now put the set square like this. Suppose this is altitude BQ. Draw the third altitude from point C. For that, put the set square like this. C Now see here all the three altitudes of triangle intersect in one point. That means all the three altitudes are concurrent. All the three altitudes of triangle are concurrent. They intersect in one point, and that point three altitudes are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called the orthocenter. Here this point, the point P or point O, this point O is called point of concurrent, and this point is called the orthocenter. The name of this point is orthocenter of triangle, and it is denoted by O. This is the concept of altitudes. Now see here on page number 20 there are three activities here, activity 1, 2 and 3. So you can draw different type of triangles, and you can locate the orthocenter of triangle in three activities. So you try these activities by your own, and in next time we will study the median of triangle.